I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by locking a steady stance and checking the dart hardware. The how matters as much as the what. First, place your front foot toward the board and square the shoulders. This minimizes unwanted rotation. Next, adopt a fingertip grip with the barrel balanced between index and middle finger so the dart sits flat in your hand. Once done, pick medium flights and confirm shafts are straight, because an off-axis piece ruins a flat landing. Now focus on the how of the throw. Align the barrel so its long axis is parallel to the board surface, which encourages a flat impact. During the throw, extend with your elbow and drive forward. Keep wrist action minimal so you avoid imparting spin that makes the dart tip dig. Once released, follow through toward the target with a flat palm orientation to maintain that plane. If necessary, change speed very slightly to shift the entry angle toward a flatter landing. Finish by making small, deliberate adjustments. Swap to slightly larger flights or lengthen shafts by 1/2 inch to increase drag and flatten the approach. Make sure tips are straight and sharp and that shafts aren't loose. Hardware problems produce inconsistent angles. If darts still nose down, reduce wrist snap and release with a marginally lower hand, about 1 inch lower in your stance, to raise the trailing edge. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.